I know. I threw it away.
All right, train start to moving in just a few minutes.
Oh.
Wow, look at this. The diesel engine forward. This is a diesel engine.
Welcome aboard. Paradise Pacific Railroad. We ask for your safety to remain seated at all times, keeping arms and legs entirely within the car. When I return to the station and come to a complete stop, I'll blow the horn once, and that's your signal it's okay to get up and exit through this gate here in the front. Have a great ride. All aboard.
Ooh, look at this. Train's boarding. The engines are starting. Oh, it's moving. Look at this. This is gonna be fun. Look at this. It's groundbreaking. The construction. Oh, zoom lens. Diesel locomotive pulling a rail car. Paradise Pacific Railroad, number 209 diesel locomotive. They're working on weekdays, and the other one is a steam locomotive on the weekend. Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
This is the horn. Look right over there. You can see the Wells Fargo Bank. This is the sheriff, Western Town Sheriff Company. There's the steam locomotive running on the weekends. decoration for Halloween. There's a lot of steamers we're working on the weekend. There's the skeletons everywhere. Diesel locomotive running on weekdays. Listen to these spiders. This is the intermodal box. This is a Santa Fe boxcar. Here comes the tunnel. Look at it. That was amazing. Wow, look at this. We are back at the station. Yeah!